I stand with Amber Heard. And I know that's a controversial take because, everybody's siding with Johnny Inept. Everybody loves Johnny Inept. Wow, he's a movie star, so I'm gonna side with him. He played in my favorite movies, so I love him. So he must be right. Insane. Some people are gonna call me a simp or a pick-me for siding with Amber Heard, but that doesn't mean anything. That just means that I respect women. Real men respect women, and guess what? I'm a real man because I respect women. Believe women 110% of the time because men lie 100% of the time. It doesn't matter if there's women who lie or women who exaggerate their stories. It doesn't matter. Believe them 100%. Doesn't matter. Because let's say that there's 3 or 4 guys getting put away for something that they didn't do. There are also thousands of guys getting away with stuff that they shouldn't have, walking free. And if we just would have believed all women, they wouldn't be roaming the streets, harassing more women. Get it? You get me? You get me. And let's say Amber Heard was lying, right? I would still support her 100%. You know why? Look, there's something that I like to call it shared pain or shared trauma, something that I came up with. And it's basically where someone of a particular group feels like they've went through that traumatic experience that people in their group have experienced, even though they themselves have not experienced it. It's like a special version of empathy. It's like an amplified version of sympathy. It's like in between sympathy and empathy, right? So for example, perfect example here, men abuse women at higher rates than women abuse men or women abuse women, right? Men lead with domestic violence, right? So if Amber Heard were to be lying, quote unquote lying, she technically wouldn't actually be lying, and she wouldn't technically be being dishonest. She felt like she went through that because women all the time go through that all the time. And let's say that she did hit Johnny Inept. Wouldn't matter because she lashed out because she felt that inner pain that other women go through. She's been hearing all these years, and bam. See, in the end, it's men's fault. In the end, honestly, it's not any woman's fault, it's men's fault. But this is only a what if. I have no doubt in my mind that Amber Heard is telling the truth and Johnny Inept was abusing her. He was hitting her. Domestic abuse, domestic violence. He's lying with the poop stuff and all that. He is utterly disgusting. Gross. Making stuff up. You think I'm gonna believe somebody that was born in Louisiana and now has a British accent? You think somebody like that is truthful? He's from Louisiana and he has a British accent. He wears shades inside of a building. You think that I'm gonna believe somebody like that? He's laughing in court. So unprofessional. The judge, she has to be a conservative. There's no way. Just allowing him and his lawyer to laugh and disrespect Amber and her team, disgusting. It's insane. And it's crazy the amount of women that are siding with Johnny Inept. It's insane. These are the same women who want you to hear their stories, but now they're going against their own self-interest. And what's even crazier is that there are a bunch of liberals siding with Johnny Inept. The liberals are supposed to be for women, right? Am I right? Right or wrong? Conservatives are supposed to be against them. Of course, conservatives are with Johnny Inept because he's a man. Look at with Brett Kavanaugh. But there are also special cases like with Andrew Cuomo. They're like, oh yeah, he did it because, he's a Democrat. But special cases. But Johnny Inept, I don't think he's ever really spoken at length about his political beliefs, so they have no reason to hate him. So they're going to side with him because he's a man. All of these people are just siding with Johnny Inept because he's a movie star. They loved his movies. They're against women. It's internalized misogyny, 110%, and it's purest essence right here of the so-called liberals who support women and actual women. Amber Heard is a woman, and not only is she a woman, she's beautiful. What does Johnny Inept have going for him? What, Pirates of the Caribbean movie and a British accent? He has the accent of the enemy. You really want to support somebody like that? Really? If Amber Heard loses this court case, then it's proven. It proves that the United States is systemically misogynistic, and there's nobody that can tell me otherwise. All I gotta say is that if you support Johnny Inept, you're a loser. If you support Amber Heard, you're amazing, and you support women. Amber Heard is crying in there. Johnny Inept's laughing and everything. She's fighting for her life and reputation, and everybody's siding with that fool, Johnny Inept. Stop it. I wanna catch Johnny Inept lacking one day, pop him in his head one time, And the day Johnny Depp dies, I hope he gets sent to hell. And I hope I get sent to hell too, so I can spank him down in hell. It'll be worth the pain for me. I want to go to hell and spank him. I don't even hope he goes to hell. I know he's going to hell. And I'm going to make sure I go to hell too. So I go and spank him too in hell. And I'm being dead serious. All of you guys, all annoying. Out of my face. So if you like this video, leave a like or a dislike. And if you didn't like this video, leave a like or a dislike. And stop being misogynistic. And I'm